Forms MailerSend SMTP extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to add your SMTP credentials to your Likeable Forms extension. So to get started, we want to go ahead and add in our Likeable Forms license key and your auto-generated SMTP password from MailerSend. So after you've entered both of these, let's go ahead and hit Verify License Key. And once your license key has been validated, we can go ahead and move on into our settings. So to get started, we need to add our SMTP server. This is going to be the same for everyone using MailerSend, and that is smtp.mailersend.net. You can look in our documentation and just simply copy and paste this. As I said, it's going to be the same for everyone. Now for the SMTP username, this is going to be unique to you. So after you've verified your domain name and you created some SMTP credentials, go ahead and paste in your MailerSend username. It should look something like this. Again, it's going to be specific to your account. The next step is the from name. So this is typically recommended to be your company name. So for our demo, it's going to be Likeable Forms. And then we need to move on to our port and protocol. Now, these can change, but as of right now, it's recommended by MailerSend to use port 587 and with the protocol TLS. And then the last step is just be sure to click the Save SMTP Settings button right here on the bottom right of your module. So unlike hitting the Save button with most of our extensions, this actually applies globally to your entire website. And that way, instead of having to actually re-add your credentials for each form that you build, you can just go ahead and apply them to all of them across the board. There you have it.